So it's 2022 and people are still out here getting scammed. So today we're gonna learn 5 tips on how to not get scammed on Mercari. Number 1 is to conduct all payments and communication through the platform. Mercari's terms of service dictates that any communication and any payment done offline and off-site does not make you eligible for a refund. This includes any communication via email, text, if you're doing payments through Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, all of those are excluded from refund policies. So just make sure to keep everything on Mercari so you at least have that buyer protection. Number 2 is to buy from high-rated sellers. Now, the one thing I love about Mercari is that you have to rate the buyer or seller in order for the funds to be released. So if you see that a seller has a lot of highly rated transactions, you can feel a lot more confident that you're gonna get the product that you bought, and you're gonna have the confidence and peace of mind that you're not actually getting scammed. So number 3 is do not fall for fakes. Obviously, this is obvious, but if you are shopping for expensive items such as Gucci bags, Louis bags, make sure you are picking listings that have the diamond logo on the listing. Now, the diamond symbol indicates that this item has been authenticated and independently reviewed by a third party. This is a service that Mercari offers on anything above a certain value, because believe it or not, there's actually scammers on Mercari just like there's scammers on OfferUp, on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist. So a good way not to fall for fakes is just to look for listings with that diamond symbol, because you can at least shop with the peace of mind that you're not going to get scammed for over like $500 to $1,000. A lot of scammers try to price these bags and these items at lower rates like $100, $200, so they don't have to get them authenticated and that you think that it's a really good price. But make sure you get that diamond logo on the listing and you'll be okay. Number 4 tip to not get scammed on Mercari is that if you are attempting a refund, please do it within 3 days or 72 hours, because if not, you are not eligible to get your money back. I would highly recommend as a buyer or seller that you take a video or take a lot of good pictures so that if the other party says that there's a problem on their end, you can prove to the customer service and customer support team that what they're saying is false. So make sure you take really good pictures. The more proof you have, the better. And make sure you're doing it within that 72-hour window. So the last tip to not get scammed on Mercari is to just be a smart shopper. Now again, this seems obvious, but trusting your gut is a lot better than not doing the diligence, not doing the research, just acting quickly and hastily because you think you see a good deal. Again, there are a lot of scammers on Mercari, just like OfferUp and Craigslist and Facebook. So if you're trying to buy a PS5 and there's only one picture and they don't want to send you images or videos of it working and whatnot, obviously your gut should tell you to not buy that item. Just be aware of the red flags. If they're trying to get you to contact them outside of the platform, they're trying to get you to Cash App, any of those are red flags. So just be smart. You're smarter than you think. See now on an item is a lot better than getting scammed for like $500 to $1,000, of course. So just make sure to shop careful, shop within your means, and don't fall for the easy scams that a lot of these scammers love to do on a daily basis. So those are the 5 tips that I have for you on not to get scammed in Mercari. Remember to flip that trash into cash. Follow me on Instagram right here for any questions. DM me any questions and stuff that you have about getting scammed. Without further ado, guys, thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.